Ugh. Guys, hurry up. We're coming. Easy for you to say. Red is seriously injured from the train crash. I lost all my carried around as a souvenirs. Yeah, and we lost Black. Uh, I mean, did we really even need him? Of course we need him. He's our leader. Yeah. Okay. As long as none of the animatronics followed us, we should be good. Think again, mortals. Oh, son of a bitch. Come here, let Bon Bon give you a hug. Did you think that would work? No. Dear God, run, guys. Run. You should take his advice. Fuck this. Get in the train. Beep beep. Let's get the fuck out of here. Get back here, boy. Get back here. Wait, no. Hey. God damn it with it, Bonnie. You let some of them get away. For fuck's sake, my leg. Lord Spring, what do we do now? Well, we put the rabbit out of his misery. No! He will not be coming back. Why is that, sir? Because we already have with Bonnie. You go back. We won't be needing you anymore this season. Wait. What does that mean, sir? Sir? What does that mean? Please, sir. I want to live. Okay, thank goodness we got out of there. But where's Black? I'm right here, boys. Oh, good to see you, dude. Yeah, good to see you guys too. Okay, so where are the others? Dead? It's only episode 2. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, well, I took this gun, so we should be able to damage some of them, but not kill. Why aren't we killing any of them? Well, why aren't we going to use that gun to kill any of them? Because we're most likely going to get a season 3 when we get the Glamlocks or the other animatronics, and I think it would be stupid to kill them now. Oh, okay. Should we be saying this in front of the train? Nah, he doesn't care. Yeah, I just do not care, lads. I mean, I fought in a war. This is really nothing to me, so, see ya. He's cool. Yeah. Okay. I found you. Shit, I was followed. Hello, everybody. I'm Mangle. Your Shadow Mangle. I don't care. You should care because I'm here. But I don't care that you're here. You should care. No, I shouldn't. Yes, you should. No, you shouldn't. Yes, I should. No, deep, deep, Who was that? Oh, you wanna go? Yeah, fuck it. Oh, great. The Mangles are fighting. Anyways, shoot them down. Did I hit them? I think you did. Good. Like you do. It seems like you two you three have gotten into some serious trouble. Let Papa Toy Freddy handle you now. No, fuck you. Oh! Oh. Oh. You bastard. Oh. You shot out my eye. Now, anyways. Let's just... Fuck, how is he so strong? I will be taking this. God damn these cheap robot parts. Now, any which way, I am the one with the upper hand now. So, you three will now submit to the Phasma Empire. Or you will be shot dead. Seems like Toy Freddy's glitching a bit. I am only glitching because you shot me in my fucking eye. Now, time for you two to die. And I'll keep one of you alive. Hey, good job there, Toy Freddy. Thank you, Foxy. Guys, I will stop the Mangles fighting. Good job, Bunny. Well, it seems like we're out of plot holes now. We're gonna die. Don't say that. It seems like another plot hole is gonna show up just to save you. Damn right they are! Oh, what the hell? Wait, no. Fuck! Oh. Ow. That's not good. Ow. Ugh, what the hell? Get them! Nope. Fuck! Foxy, you go check on with Bonnie and the others, Okay, let's see if I can get this to work. Okay. Guys! Toy Freddy, are you okay? Oh, that was not good. Oof. Toy Freddy, you be okay, lad? Of course not, fellow comrade. I got hit by a train. I feel most of my surveys breaking down. Don't worry, they already made it clear you're gonna survive in the season 3. Let's hope, that's the key. You're gonna have to perform a repair on me, dear folks. Remove my face panel. Okay. Yeah, I don't wanna look. Good job. Calm, lad. Now, touch my main servos and press reboot. Beep. There you fox. Ew, he's not wearing pants. Anyways, okay, so he should be. Wait, what about my Barney Mangle? I fucking hate walking. Hello there. What do we have here? Oi, Barney, get up. What? What happened to you? Hit by a train, sir. Hey, come on, Mangle. Let's get moved. What the? What happened to us? Dear God, they merged. Huh, I guess that makes us both Mangle now. No, we are not Mangle, we're Mangold. Yeah, Mangle. No, Mangold. We're still gonna be arguing about our name. Of course we are. This is your fault. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Is not, is too. Is not, is too. Now, anyways, let's go murder people. Okay. Hold on, Mangles. You two have to stay here for a bit. So. Okay. Well, we'll hunker down here for a bit. Do you remember where the people went last? Yeah, they ran away. Freddy gave chase. Okay, thanks. By the way, Ringmaster Foxy's dead. Water tower fell on him. Okay. So, that was the FNAF 2 movie. Shit. Expected. Fuck. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, night gods, come to Freddy Fair. Oh, whoa! Ow, that hurt. Now, anyways, where do you guys think you're going? To your doom. What was that meant to do? Oh, it's crushed my legs. Ditch 'em. My leg. Don't worry. Your death will be painful. God damn. How strong are these fucking figures? God, I broke my own. There we go. There we go. Now, anyways. Alright, they went that way. Alright, where are the others? They should be around here. Hey, guys, what the fuck is that? Hey, guys. Oh, Bonnie, you didn't receive that much damage. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Is this the train? Who do you work for? I work for the Northwestern Railway. I guess my biggest question is, where did they go? Oh, so I'll split your boiler in two. You won't. Really? How do you know I won't? Because of one very serious thing. Because Freddy owns this railway. And if he finds out that you've just smashed me up, he'll kill you. Which Freddy are we talking about? Steam Demon Freddy. The fuck. He has a point there. I can't kill you. Or else Freddy will be fucking pissed. Okay. You can go. Yeah, that's what I thought, bitch. Why did you let him go? I am not dealing with Steam Demon Freddy. Is it not just normal Freddy? Yeah, he's the channel mascot, but Jesus fucking Christ, is he strong. Okay, so I just assume we follow the tracks and we find where he is. Alrighty then. Come on, Mario. Off to work we go. Great, that's gonna get us a copyright strike, isn't it? Now, well, if we're gonna get copyright striked, we best rip off Nintendo instead of Disney. We only have 30. We only have like 40 subscribers. Disney won't fuck with us. Yeah, it would be a waste of resources, especially since they went over especially since they decided to bitch over a teenager. Imagine if Disney did sue a teenager for that. That would be stupid. And done. Wait, what are you working on, Percy? Oh, I'm just writing episode 2 of season 2. Oh, really? Why do you include the Disney reference? I don't know. Anyways, let's just publish. Okay. Uh. Okay. Let's go for steak.